How to delete DHgate account. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete DHgate account. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the DHgate application on your device. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to delete your account, go ahead and tap on your account option on the bottom right of your screen, and further tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will then see the option for account security. Tap on that, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Delete My Account option. Before deleting your account, make sure that all orders are deleted and no disputes are involved. Also, make sure your DHpay account has no available award. Now, tap on the Delete My Account button and further go through the guidelines shown to you on the screen, and finally tap on the Confirm button, and with this the account deletion request has been submitted. You will receive an email within 2 business days regarding the same. So, this is how you can delete DHgate account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.